Here in Reno, recent snowstorms caused rough commutes for the drivers in the valley, but in Truckee, it's what brings in the customers. So one barista from Truckee's Coffee Bar said the difference between when snow is on the slopes is night and day.
0 to 100 probably is the best way of describing it. Is you go from just your regulars, the people you know by name, to, oh, hi, there's 100 people who I don't know any of you, but cool, you're here, let's go.
Yeah, he said business is even busier when there's the sun out on the slopes, of course, but now that the snow is bringing flocks back out into the Truckee area, and he said he hopes it will last into the spring and keep business booming.